Hey guys, welcome back to another OBS tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to flip your camera in OBS so it looks correct in Google Meet or any meeting app. Before we start, make sure a couple of things are ready. Your OBS Virtual Camera should be set up and started. Your browser should be open. And for this demo, just treat this object here as your camera. Now, inside your meeting, like Google Meet, make sure you're using the correct camera. You can go into your browser settings and select OBS Virtual Camera as your input. If you don't do this, you might end up wondering why nothing is showing up. Once everything is set and you can see your OBS output inside Google Meet, here's the important step. Go to your source in OBS. Right-click on it, go to Transform, then click on Flip Horizontal. That's it. Your camera will instantly flip. If you click it again, it will flip back, so it works like a simple toggle. And whatever changes you make in OBS will be reflected directly in Google Meet. Once you're done using it, don't forget to stop your virtual camera. And that's it. Simple and quick. See you in the next one.